Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody is having an amazing day today. As you read by the title, we are going to be unboxing the new Glamlite Chocolate Factory Foodie Box that they just came out with. If you did not see my last live, I did purchase the holiday Foodie Box that contained the cookies and milk loose highlighter, the gingerbread lashes, which are super cute. It came with 3 candy cane trio brushes. They're super cute. I have not used these yet. And then it came with the red velvet lipstick with the new mirror on the side, which I think is absolutely genius. And then the pecan pie lip gloss, and I believe this was eggnog, which also has that cute little mirror. So, oh, my bad. And then the new pie palette that came in that box. This is super adorable. Just super adorable. This is what it looks like outside of the container. It does have the glitter inside of it. Does say Glamlite across it. All of Glamlite's palettes minus the paint palettes have a mirror, and then that is what the inside of that palette looks like. It does have a blush in the middle. I did use that blush today. I like it. I have not used the palette itself, but this is in our bowl of Glamlite go-through palettes, so it is in there for when it comes time for it to have its place. But that is what came in the holiday collection Foodie Box, the red one. But now let's go ahead and open the Chocolate Factory. Now, this is super adorable. When I seen it, I just knew that it was something I had to have. I will say that as long as I have been buying Glamlite products, I have always used Glam 15. I've always gotten my discount. I put the code in, and then I forgot to hit apply. So this is the first box that I've actually paid full price for. But either way, I still had to have it. This is their version of a neutral palette for all their neutral lovers. The inside of the box is just adorable. I think Glamlite goes above and beyond for their packaging, their thinking things out. I mean, it's super cute. Whoever's working for them is doing a great job, and everything's always packaged real nice. So we did get the golden ticket. I will say that Charlie would just be beside himself right now. It does say holiday 2020 Glamlite Chocolate Factory. This golden ticket emits 1 foodie. It says, congratulations foodie, you are the recipient of the Glamlite golden ticket, which gives you exclusive access to the ultimate chocolate experience. In this box, you will find the most decadent and delicious chocolate treats ever. Welcome to the Glamlite Chocolate Factory, Giselle. So, I think this was a cute little added feature. But let's go ahead and get in here and see what we got. So, in here, we did get a set of donut lashes. I will say I am in love with Glamlite's lashes. They are super cute. The bands are a little bit thicker, but if you're just learning to use lashes or you're not quite a pro yet, I think that the thicker bands are easier to work with. Now that could be just me, or it could be for real. So that is the first thing we got. I'm not opposed to new lashes. Then we got the Glamlite chocolate candy bar, And these are also lashes. Oh no. Try not to rip the box. Okay, so these are what those look like. They are a more natural looking lash, I would say. Super cute. So I'm not ever going to get mad about Glamlite putting lashes in any box. I do like them. So far my favorites are the strawberry lashes. These are my favorite so far. The next thing we got is the Choco lash. And that is what they look like. Full and voluminous eyelashes. Every lash is designed and handcrafted using the highest and softest quality of synthetic fibers. 3D lashes are the perfect way to add volume, length, and versatility to your eyelashes. I believe all of that. I think that is exactly what it does. Then we got the Glamlite S'mores Highlighter Contour Palette. Now, this is super, super cute. I did go ahead and take everything out of the plastic. This would be in a plastic wrap along with the palette. I did take those out just to save a little bit of time. But this is what that looks like. It has the graham cracker on the outside. And then you can see the chocolate and the marshmallow inside. Oh, I had it backwards. There we go. I was like, where's the chocolate? But there is the chocolate and the marshmallow, and then of course the graham cracker, which makes your s'more. When you open it up, it does have the graham cracker, the marshmallow, and the chocolate. So we can go ahead and swatch those. I will say I'm super glad to see the two highlighters in a flat lay pan. So there's the bronzer or chocolate. There's the marshmallow, and there is the graham cracker. Super pretty colors. Definitely will be using that. But I do have the cookies and milk and the sugar high loose highlighters, which almost look like the flat lay s'mores palette. Either way, I'm glad to have all three. We'll definitely be using this. Now, if it smelled like chocolate, that would be amazing. I do get that people are sensitive to smells, which I'm sure is why that they're food-themed palettes and things like that aren't scratch and sniff kind of things. I get that. It just would be cute also. So, okay, then we got the hot chocolate lips, and this is, I believe this is a lip gloss. Let's open it and find out. There is the color. Super pretty color. Smells great. Yeah, this is a gloss. And that is what that gloss looks like. It's super pretty, super fall colored. It does match exactly what's in the tube. Always love to see that. So, hot chocolate. Then we got a s'mores also. I'm betting that this is also a lip gloss, which I don't mind their lip glosses. My favorite lip gloss is from Alamar Cosmetics. It is this one right here for lip gloss. And this is, I believe, Mother of Pearl is what it's called. Yeah, Mother of Pearl Gloss by Alamar. This is my favorite lip gloss, hands down. But I do like Glamlite's lip glosses so far. They are a little sticky, but... And it's not sticky on your lips, just if you get your hair in it, which is, you know, that happens with all lip gloss. If you get your hair in it, it's going to stick. So I do like this one a lot better, just because it's that dark, vampy coloring. But this and this laid over in the middle, kind of ombre'd out, would be beautiful. So I will definitely be trying that. Then, the last thing in here, and oh my gosh, guys, when I seen this, I about fell out. Now, this is the chocolate donut palette. I do have the regular, I have all of Glamlite's palettes, except for the pizza slices. I have every palette that they have released. I love their formulas. I love their packaging. It's super cute. It's squishy, just like the regular donut palette. Does have a mirror, like all of them do. And then this is what that palette looks like inside. And as far as a neutral palette, this is right up my alley. I mean, oh, I can't wait to get in here and try a look with this. I know it is neutrals, and neutrals aren't really up my alley, but this, the colors in here just make me want to play with it. And then, of course, you do have the highlighter in the middle, just as in the chocolate donut palette. Also has the highlighter. I do like how they put the blush in the pie palette. But that is what came in my Chocolate Factory Foodie Box. If you've never ordered a Foodie Box from Glamlite, or Glamlite in general, their Foodie Boxes run $45 for 7 full-size items. I don't know another mystery put together curated box that you can get that for 7 full-size items for $45. I think they're amazing. I think the company is great. They have quick shipping, in and out in a minute when you get ready to order something. They have a continuous Glam 15 to save you 15% off. You don't have to worry about, oh, whose code did I use? Use their code. It saves you money. And why not? If you know another code, use it. You support who you want. But at the same time, if you don't want to pick and choose, use Glam 15. Comment down below. Let me know if you got this box. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you have any of Glamlite's palettes and your thoughts on them. Just let me know. Comment down there and we will talk later. Please do think about subscribing to the channel if you are not already. And do give me a thumbs up if you like hot chocolate. If you like hot chocolate, give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, guys, that's my video, and I will see y'all later. Bye.